Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the error for the Windows update and let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is just make your way over to settings. From settings, just go over to system, and then from system look down until you see troubleshoot, or scroll down until you see troubleshoot. Once you see troubleshoot, go ahead and hit other troubleshooters, and then from here click on Windows Update. Now from Windows Update, you want to go ahead and choose the option where it says, just wait for it to load first, and then you want to choose the I can't download, install, or uninstall and update. And now you want to basically just let that diagnostic run, and you just want to go through the process. Now once that is done, I highly recommend restarting your PC, and after you do that, the error code should be fixed and you guys will be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to fix that Windows error code. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.